Hey, it's James with Make It Happen Greenhouse, and just got done picking a little cup full of tiny little tomatoes. Again, they're not like as big as cherry tomatoes. They're orange, but they taste like candy, so they're very good. But that's not why I am recording this morning. I got some radishes that I've been growing just as a little bit of an experiment in these windowsill type pots here, and planted them back on the 3rd of October, and today we're like the 10th of November, I believe. So these usually take 20 to 30 days to be ready to harvest. So I can see here this one's popping out, so I was going to just pull a couple of these and see what we got. Been pretty disappointed with the radish harvest I've had. When I did it earlier in the greenhouse, I just over fertilized them, and they essentially just bolted and created a lot of green but not much fruit. So this batch I did with no additional fertilizer beyond what the starter potting mix comes with. So that was it, just water for about 30 days here. So let's go ahead and pull one. We'll pull this bigger one and see how it looks. And I think I did 2 different varieties in each of the containers here, so that's a fairly decent looking radish, at least one, the obvious one. So not a bad start. Let's get in here and just see if anything else looks like it's coming up through the soil. Don't really see these red kind of stems here at the base. Make me feel not optimistic, because I think what you want is to have this red be the bulb. So I think that's supposed to be below the soil. If it's above the soil, it thins out and you don't get much below. But let's double check that. Yeah, see. So essentially this is the edible, or the tasty part that people like, but hardly anything. So that's not good. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that, because it looks like the rest of these are maybe just like that. And yeah, I don't see them getting any thicker. We're well past the 30-day mark. It looks like here's one that maybe tried a little harder. Pull that one out. I mean, I'll still cut them and we'll nibble on them to just be for like a salad. So other than that one, I'm kind of picking through here. It looks like the rest of these really aren't going to produce much. So, so out of my 10-cent clearance seed packs that I bought, a little soil, a little water, essentially get one good radish. That's not a great experiment. So my luck with radishes continues to be poor. Maybe what I'm thinking here is I need to come back behind the planting of these radishes and go ahead and put some more topsoil, or maybe sow them a little deeper. So we'll experiment with this. I really like radishes, so I'd like this to work. I do have some nice greens here, so I can use those. I chop those up and can use those in salad. They're a little more coarse than other greens, but I've eaten them, mixed them in with regular salad, and they're pretty good. So, all right, signing out.